Hello everyone, take a paper and draw the lines like this using colorful markers. Now fill the color like this and on the sides make the shape like this. Now make the lines on the sides, make the lines on the top and then make the body of the snake like this. Now make its wings or the side patterns like this, make its tail on the back and then draw the patterns over it with the white marker and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a sheet and then write a letter P as shown in the video and then we'll be making the eyes, nose and mouth of the panda. Make its ears, hands like this and it's done. Next, we'll be writing a digit 4 and then draw the lines around it like this. Make the shape, make its legs and then we'll be joining the lines like this. Now after that, we'll be making an ant. So draw 2 brown dots like this with the help of a brown marker. Now make its body like this. Now we'll be making its eyes and then we'll be making its legs on the sides and your ants are ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to draw the lines on its body. Next we'll be drawing the lines like this around the digit 8. Now make the legs and hands of it, make its eyes, color the face of it with the help of a pink color and your bear is ready. Next, we'll be making 2 cute bunnies. So write S, I and Y like this and then draw the lines on the sides of it. Make its ears, eyes, nose and mouth, make its legs and hands, make its tail on the back and it's ready. Next, we'll be writing the lines like this and then we'll be making its eyes, nose and mouth, make its legs and tail on the sides like this and here we are making a cute puppy. Now make the tail on the back and make its neck band and it's done. Next, draw these small circles like this and then make the face of the kitty. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its body and the tail. Now after that, color it like this if you want and it's ready. Don't forget to make the patterns on its body like this and it's done. Next, we'll be making an elephant. So draw the lines like this and then we'll be making its trunk, eyes, hands and legs. Make its ears on the sides like this and then join the lines to make its body. Now after that, make its tail on the downside and then color it with the grey color if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute kitty. So draw its ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Make its body like this, make its legs and the tail on the back. Now color it with the yellow and orange color and your kitty is ready. Don't forget to make the patterns on its body and it's done. Next, draw a circle, make the ears of it, make its nose and mouth and then the eyes. Now we'll be making its body like this, so we'll be making a sleeping kitty. Now after that, draw the lines like this and its tail. Now after that, you can color it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, write a digit 5 and then make the eyes, nose and mouth of the duck. Now make its body, make its legs and then make the wings on the sides of it. Color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a caterpillar. So draw the circle like this. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its legs like this as shown in the video and color it with different multiple colors like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be drawing the shape like this or a water droplet shape and then make the eyes, nose, mouth of a rat. Now make its ears, make its tail and it's done.